So in this video I am going to show you how you can add rectangular tool to your mobile MT5 chart. So come over to your chart. At the lower left hand corner, it will bring you to a page like this. Click or tap on the screen to bring up this rounded tool for you. Then click on this icon. So you will not see something like this because this is based on the ones that I am using. Is this plus sign that you will be seeing. So what you need to do is to click on the plus sign. It will bring you to this object page. So scroll down and go down to the rectangle tool, click on it. So now you can begin using the rectangle tool to mark out your zones on MT5. So I can now tap to drop it. You see it's dropped. So you have to know where you are dropping it. It's very tiny, so tap on it again. You see it has highlighted it. So just drag it. Once it has highlighted, just drag it like this. So you can use any of the edges at the end. So if you tap on the edge at the top right hand corner, you can drag it to the left, to the right, at the up or the down. If you don't want it to move, you just tap the ones that are in the middle. You don't want the corners, the four corners to move, just use the middle points, the middle dotted points. So I can use this. You see it's not moving the upper and lower lines. Now if I want to move only the upper and lower line without moving the right and the left, I will tap the one that is in the middle here, and then I'll drag up and down. So you can see I can move it. Even if I try to go to the left or right, it will not move. This can only move up and down if you tap the ones that are in the middle. Okay, so you can also tap in the middle, this middle one. Once you tap, you can drag it and move it round. So you can use this effectively for drawing your zones on MT5. Okay, yours may not appear the way mine is appearing because I made mine to not be colored, but you can color it. When you tap on it, it will highlight it for you like this, making these dotted points to appear. So you can click this option to double or copy it. So I can click, so it's copying it. So I now have two that I can use. So I can decide to color any one that I have duplicated. So the one that I just tapped now, I can use this pencil icon, and then I can decide to fill it. This draw as background, you can click on it and then click the top right hand corner where it is written save, right? But before that, we can also click this fill background, click on it and then click the save button. You can see the background of this one has been filled. So the background has been filled for us. You can decide to change the background color as well. Whenever you tap on it and it's highlighted, click the pencil icon and then use this color and change the background maybe to something purple. Then click OK. Then click on save. You see it has changed to a purple background. So this is how you can add rectangle tool to your MT5, and you can use it for drawing your zones, your key zones on MT5. If you have any question regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.